Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a Rusty Cinematic CapCut filter. And here, just import your clip and first go to filter, click on portrait and select the robust filter. Click on the check icon and then go to adjust. So for the brightness, set it into 10. Contrast, increase it to 10 also, and for the exposure, lower it into -10. Then click on the HSL and click on the orange color, set the hue into -50 and luminance -100. Then click on the yellow color and lower the luminance into -40. And then click on the green and lower the hue into add some hue into 50. And then go to the blue color and set the hue into -100 and saturation 100. Okay, and then you can just go back, click on the grabs and then use this setting for the white color. So add okay, go like this and then add another point in here and do it like so. Okay, and then click on the blue color and then set it like this. Okay, set it like this and another point and you are done. Just go back and now add some hue around 15. Okay, and then you are done with the Rustic Cinematic filter. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe. Bye.